So I talked to our officials, and yesterday evening I reached from cancelling my other programs from other states, and yesterday I visited the hospital, and so the sad incident, because beyond our human expectation and human activeness, the state and central government are trying their level best to help them within our limits, and that activities are very well going on. And state government already declared 10 lakhs for these people and 1 lakh for others. If at all something more is required also, we will do that. And proper immediately all these medical facilities and saving the life, maximum effort was there. And other things, of course, under now an inquiry. I don't want to make any comments. The various types of comments are coming from the people. Natural, that we will do justice to them by extending all the help from our state government and central government, and if it is necessary, center also may think about it. So I will also send a report regarding all these things to Rashtrapati.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.